Hey everyone, Jill Goo here, and today I want to talk a little about, I would say, words of wisdom pertaining to how can you make a challenging situation an opportunity. So when challenges come our way, obstacles, roadblocks, difficult times, it's so easy to spiral into the mode of, oh, look what happened to me. Look what these people are doing to me. Or, and go into devastation mode where it's just, it's over. Like, it's so black and white. Yeah, we need to feel our feels. When challenging times come, we need to feel sadness and grief and anger and frustration and, feel what that is. But it's also great once you get through feeling your feels of it all to kind of circle around and go, okay, how can I turn this super challenging situation into a positive experience or an opportunity for me to grow and learn? Because there's always things for us to learn and see in challenging situations, always. And I want you to just take a moment and think about your past and think about some challenges that you've overcome, challenges that you went through, whether you liked it or not, right? We've always can look back, I think, at our challenging situations and go, wow, I learned this, this, and this from that. And I'll even share a story with you. When I was younger, in my 20s, I'm still young, when I was younger, in my 20s, I was homeless for 6 months. And I put everything in a storage locker. I had my clothes in the storage locker in my car, and I had a P.O. box. I didn't have an address, and I stayed with a bunch of friends, and some of my friends might be watching this video right now, so thank you for letting me sleep on your couch for a week. But I was couch surfing. I'd be like a week at this friend, a week at that friend, over here, And I think in those 6 months, I had stayed at 16 different places. Keep in mind, I was teaching dance camps at the time. So, I was traveling to different states and staying at the dance camp. So I had, work places to stay as well. But I remember at the time just being like, I can't believe this is happening to me, and this is terrible, and how could I let this happen, and blah, blah, blah. But when I look back, I want to change the thing. I would have still experienced that because I learned so much about that time. I learned so much about myself and my resilience, and that, to quote Marie Forleo, everything is figure outable. I feel like I became stronger. I became more thinking outside of the box because of that situation. And, I gained, I think, more determination to keep striving and keep moving forward. So look at any challenging situation that shows up in your life and see how can you turn this into learning something about yourself or learning from it. Because when we can have different perspectives of a situation, it helps us, and we gain so much from that. And it helps us practice to be in the flow. Even sometimes when stuff comes, I've had something recently come my way where I'm like, no, oh no, this can't happen. And then I'm like, pause for a second. Maybe there's a reason. Maybe this is it's here to help me. And I'm thinking this is here to be not helping me, but it is helping me. So trying to look at a situation from different vantage points is very helpful. And when you do that, you are really connecting to being in the flow and yourself, your higher self, intuition, energy. And I think there's gifts in that. So I hope this is helpful. Try to take a breath, take a step back after you feel your feels of your challenging situation, and look at it from all points of view and see, how can I learn from this? Or what is here for me to see further? So have a great week, everybody. Stay safe, and if you want to check out more of what I do, go to jillgoo.com. All right, bye for now.